Hey everybody, Jeremy from Nisswa Marine. So we're here today to go through a star-studded model, the Premier 270 SuperSport, right here at Nisswa Marine. As you can see, this is a brand new setup this year with the fiberglass panel design here. It still keeps the Premier DNA with the swooped rail. Again, SS standing for SuperSport. Really, really rich looking boat. We do have the sport arch on this one here. This is a power arch that does go down with the push of a button. This particular boat is powered with twin Mercury Racing 450s. We can get this boat in a single or a twin engine application. As for the twins, when you do a twin engine application, we get the center staircase, and this is Premier's exclusive patented ricochet ladder staircase. This will go down in the water, automatically go up once you start going forward with the boat. So really, really convenient setup as a twin engine application. And we have our ski pylon here, as you can see, large deck here in the back. As we come into the inside of the boat, you're gonna see that this has the very, very high-end level furniture that Premier is known for. You can get this in a couple of different color variations as well. Come on aboard and we're gonna take a look at the dual helm action here. This is an all new redesign for Premier for 2023. We have a completely redesigned wrapped around dash, creating a really, really good experience. Both of these helms are elevated. Of course, that's a Premier exclusive. We've always been known for having the elevated helms. Lots of different creature comforts here for the passenger. Extra cup holders, lots of flat space to set things, enormous glove box. And then you have your bolsters on both the seats, giving you that command view. I do like to point out that we got the steering wheel remote controls as well, and we have the 12-inch flat screen panel Simrad that has all of our gauges. We have digital switching on this boat. Super high-end features here on this boat. With the folding windshield, this is the main feature on this particular boat that makes it so popular. And then we have added for this season a wind panel. This is a really simple, easy to use. We're just going to slide this in. It's a clear panel, giving you that full runabout effect where you have no wind coming in the cockpit here. So lots of cool stuff to see on this SuperSport model. We have a nice little spot to tuck it in over there. And then we have our full wraparound bow here, which does come with our bow filler cushion for a little bit extra seating. We got the armrest here, just super high-end luxury. Even the way these seats open, you got these aluminum hinges on these particular seats, and then our Premier easy hinge system that we're always known for. With the PTX design on this boat, you're gonna get unbelievable performance with your 12-inch planing pad on the bottom. The Premier PTX and the SuperSport have got it going on, and this is what we have here in the showroom here at Nisswa Marine. Check it out. We got more videos and footage of the 270 SuperSport. Thanks for watching, and we'll come back at you with some more video action.